All right, so I'm going to show you how to set up a dollar cost average in WeBull. Now this is going to put money into your account on a regular basis, and it's up to you to choose how you're going to invest it, but it will help you to grow your account balance without really having to think about it. So what we're going to do is get logged in, click on our account, head over to transfers, and click on this reoccurring deposit. Now, if you click on the schedule, you can choose what type of recurring deposit you want to do. I'm going to do, for me, I'm going to do a bi-weekly every Friday, and then you can type in the amount you want. So we're going to do $50. Just confirm that. You can see here, it shows you 2 weeks from today is May 6th, and we'll do our first $50 deposit. 2 weeks from then is May 20th, and we'll do the next $50. And the nice thing about this is I don't even have to think about it. I know every year, because there's 26 2-week periods, basically pay periods in a year, that $1,300 is going to go to my WeBull account without me even having to think about it. So I know $1,300 is going to go to my WeBull account without me even having to think about it. Hope that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.